just, going on, and then the rainwater just drips through it.
Yeah.
But your siding's the pretty thing to keep the house nice and looking and everything, and to protect the paper. The paper underneath here is what sheds the water off the house. Typically a lot of water will get in behind the siding, but the paper sheds the water down onto the concrete below the ladder. There's a wooden ladder in here on top of your foundation. So
the water can go into that track.
Water goes into the track, it'll drain out into the joints. You'll find dirt, because there's of course dust. It'll bring some of the dirt down into here. So that's normal, everyday dust, Calgary dust.
Yeah.
But you have your starter strip and your J, so they'll get some water in it, but they'll drain out and dry out over time.
And that's just the way, the siding itself doesn't necessarily keep the water away from the building, it's the stuff behind.
Exactly. The paper under here is what keeps the building dry. The siding protects the paper, like from any
UV.
Yeah, the UV for one, and we get our hailstorms and stuff like that. You might have to replace your siding, but your paper will still be good.
Okay. I didn't even think you could do that. I thought once it was on there.
No, you can. Vinyl siding's really easy to work with. You can take it apart pretty well anywhere. I might have to get my tool to actually put it all back together here, because it is on a starter strip. So I got my siding tool in the truck. But you can take it apart here at a joint.
Yeah.
Check it again.
Yeah.
And then just pull it down and snap it back in place. Just don't do it in the wintertime.
Oh yeah, it's got to be warm, yeah.
Below.
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
All right, cool.
Lots of dust.
There we go. All right, thanks.